In order to secure your device and its data, Apple has included a feature called Find My iPhone on its products. After doing factory reset, your iPhone will show iPhone lock to owner screen or activation lock screen if Find My is on. So this video will show you some tips to solve the issue if you forgot the password. Let's get started. Tip 1. Remove activation lock via iCloud. If you have a second-hand iPhone that is iCloud locked, you can try this way if you can contact the previous owner. Get the original owner to open the iCloud website and log in to iCloud account. Once logged in, click on the option that says Find iPhone. On the following screen, click on All Devices at the top and choose your locked iPhone from the list. Select the Erase iPhone option and then Remove from account. The locked iPhone will be erased and removed from the original owner's account. Tip 2. Unlock iCloud locked iPhone free with DNS. Before showing this tip, please attention that this tip is not 100% worked. After factory reset your iPhone, reach network connection screen and connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network. Tap on the eye icon next to the network name to open the settings menu. Tap on the option that says Configure DNS on the following screen to change the DNS servers for your iPhone. Enter one of the following DNS servers depending on where you are located. Last, go back and do not proceed with the prompt on your screen. Hit back again and you will see the DNS server screen. You can then configure the options available on your screen. Tip 3. Bypass iPhone lock to owner activation lock. Download any unlock, install the software, and launch it on your computer. Click on Bypass iCloud activation lock feature. Connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Check the device information and read the terms of use. Click the Start Now button to initiate the process. Now, you need to click the Start Jailbreak button if your device hasn't been jailbroken yet. Then, it will bypass the activation lock automatically. Do not disconnect your device until it restarts. Wait a minute and you will see Bypassed Successfully page.